So from our home screen, you've come to week 1. Welcome to week 1. Great job exploring and pushing your learning on natural disasters this week. We are really eager to see what you learned and how you're going to creatively demonstrate it. Read all of the task descriptions below before selecting the task you will complete. Every Monday during Crew, Miss Nick and Miss Julia will showcase examples of high quality work. So try your best, and as always, don't forget you can come to office hours or send an email if you have questions. Our learning targets: I can draw conclusions about a topic by making noticings and wonderings. I can read an informational text closely and take notes in order to answer research questions. F0, video research. Choose a natural disaster to watch informational videos on in order to conduct research. While you are researching, ask yourself, what questions do I have that can help me find relevant facts and details? Imagine your teachers and classmates have no understanding of the natural disaster you've researched. Select 2 to 3 informational videos to share to help them gain knowledge and understanding. Here are some helpful resources. You have Nat Geo Natural Disasters, Neo K-12, and Watch Know Learn. Crew, these are totally optional. If you have other resources you want to use, that's fine, but this is just to help you get started if you need it. F3, Science Talk Reflection. Similar to our math forums, a science talk will allow you to discuss what you've been learning about natural disasters. Ask an adult, sibling, or anyone else at home to engage in a science talk with you. Your science talk will be 2 rounds and follow this format. Round 1. Explore this question: how do natural disasters affect people and places that experience them? Try to make this last around 15 minutes. This conversation should be more formal, like you're talking to an adult. Round 2. Reflect. What are 2 things that went well? What is 1 thing I need to work on? Try and make this last 5 minutes. This should also be a more formal conversation. So again, like you are talking to an adult. Write a 1-paragraph reflection with at least 5 sentences about your science talk. Friends, if you need some science talk conversation starters, you can try the sentence stem. The evidence tells me blank. This is important because blank. This affects someone who experiences it by blank. This affects a place that experiences it by blank. Finally, F5, reading report on informational text. Select an informational text from the list provided by Miss Julia and Miss Nick. Read the text closely and take notes in order to answer your research questions. Create a reading report on your informational text. Friends, I say reading report because this can follow any format. You can be as creative as you'd like. I just want you to answer the following. What point is the author of this text trying to make? How can we stay safe during natural disasters? I want some facts that were included in the text and new words or vocabulary used in the text. If you need some inspiration, here are some ways to create your reading report. It could be a written review, a slideshow, a video or audio recording, or any visual model. If you are wondering what F0, F3, and F5 mean, here's a little key. F0 is a gale tornado, F3 is a severe tornado, F5 is a devastating tornado. If you want to learn more about this, we have our supplementary materials page. Once you have selected your task, you may begin. And again, don't forget, turn it in on Google Classroom. Reach out to Miss Julia and Miss Nick if you have any questions.